Debbie, and today I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful Christmas poinsettia. It is a brooch and also a hair ornament. It is very sparkly and I'll be showing you how I put this together. For this flower, you will need a plain store-bought plastic flower, a hairband, a brooch pin, a toothpick, a glue gun, scissors, and a special blend of glue and glitter. It wasn't until editing that I realized that I forgot to mention that the glitter glue that I used is just normal silicone glue or fabric glue mixed with glitter. Also, you need a red ribbon for the back of the flower. First, you need to remove the back of the flower and take out the middle piece. For this, you only need the top 2 layers. Then we'll take this centerpiece and trim it down a bit. That's all trimmed up and clean, we'll be applying the glitter. So take this glitter, and it's a special blend that I made myself of Tilla glitter. So you just want to apply it all over. I put on more than what I needed, so just take the toothpick and scoop off the excess and push it where you want it. Just keep fidgeting with it until you're satisfied. After a couple of minutes of fidgeting around with the toothpicks and my fingers, it looks like this now, and I'm ready to add more glue to the back and the front. Glitter glue is a bit finicky. If it dries too quickly, it's hard to work with, and if it dries too slowly, then it's messy. So it's best to work in stages so that you'll have some time to dry, but not too long, otherwise you'll take forever. So first let that dry a little bit, and then I'll start working on the middle. Fortunately, I have my fan on, and that helps. If the back isn't 100% dry, but it's dry enough, I'm just using my nails to push the glue down as it slowly dries. that in front of the fan and let it dry. The next step is to cover the base petals with the red glitter. So just run it along the lines of the petal like this. Sure it doesn't get clogged while you're using it. Constantly push the glue out of the way. Then just do that for all the petals, and then you can just tidy up. So just put that one side to dry. As for the top petals, I think I'll be doing this one off camera. Yeah, so I'll just be filming, be doing that one off camera. Okay, so now I've done the second layer. I'm just going to set it aside to dry. Now that the glue is partially dry, I can go in and add the center line, and then when that cures some more, I will clean it up, as in trim the edges. Always keep the nozzle clean, like in cake decorating. So now I'm just going to quickly go through this one. To put these aside to dry further. And here is the finished centerpiece for the flower. Sorry I couldn't show this part, film this part, because it was a lot more complicated than I realized. I find it's a lot better to use a pin to get into the details when you're doing it and apply the glue a little at a time. So sorry about that. I might have to do another video showing this part some other time. Now that all the pieces are dry, I'm going to take our glue gun and glue everything together. Also, I forgot to mention at the start of the video that you're also going to need a piece of red ribbon. So let's line them up first. glue up, turn it over and snip this off. And just cut this to size. So now I'm going to glue it on the back. Right now it's just supported on a piece of tape. And I just folded the ribbon and glued it. Thank you so much for watching. This is the first one that I made, and this is the one I just made. On the back you can see that I couldn't find my ribbons when I made this first one. I like the way this one looks better. So this was my first ever video tutorial of any sort. So I apologize if it was a bit messy. I tried to pick something simple for my first video, so I hope you enjoyed it regardless, and I will be practicing my filming so that I can get much better at this. So like and subscribe, please ring that notification bell to get further updates, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye, thank you. Hello there, my name is Kila B. Today I will be sharing with you how I made this beautiful, sparkly, Christmas themed hairpin or brooch. It is a chrysanthemum? No, not chrysanthemum. Hello there, my name is Kila B, and today I will be showing you how I made this beautiful Christmas poinsettia brooch. Hello, good day, my name is Kila B, and today I will be showing you how I made this beautiful Christmas poinsettia. Hello, good day, my name is Kila B, and today I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful Christmas poinsettia hair. What the hell is it? For this flower, you will need a ordinary store-bought plastic plain flower, a hair scrunchie, brooch pin, a toothpick. You're not gonna get my hand out there. For this flower, you will need a plain store-bought plastic flower, a scrunchie. Here, behind. And here is the finished centerpiece for the flower. Sorry I couldn't film this. It was a lot more detailed than I realized. I might have to do a separate video showing this, but I found that it's... Oh, I'm recording!